Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is time for a quick flip through of Cozy Corners, the latest and greatest from Teresa Goodridge. Super excited as always with any book from her. I've never had a book like released that I didn't like, which is why I have everything on pre-order. She has an owl one coming out soon as well, but yeah, kind of excited for this one. So let's take a look, because it's been a little bit. I mean, she releases, quite a few, and she's been really into gnomes, so it's nice to see her kind of go back to what she used to do. So let's kind of take a look-see here. So they still have the perforated edges. Unfortunately, it is that crappy paper that Dover has gone back to. This isn't the artist's fault, this is the publisher. All right. It is fall though, so let's see if we could use any of these for fall. We'll zoom in just a little more. Oh, that's cute. Now this paper is kind of crummy, but there's still pencils that work great on it, and that's on the cover. Believe it or not, you can actually use, I've used my ink tints on this paper and it works just fine. My Albrecht Dürer, they activate on this paper despite it being pretty awful. So you can still use that. My favorite when it's not like a water activated medium is definitely Prisma. Black Widows do well as well. I haven't tried Color on here, so I couldn't tell you there. I was kind of hoping she would come out with another autumn or Christmas one, but I love her autumn books. Like, she could do autumn any time of the year and I would buy it. Just, I love hers. But this is actually really cute. A gaming zone. Like I said, I'll leave a link in the description below. It is a pre-order, so it came out today, or yesterday, sorry. Got it yesterday on time. And then I just did not feel like filming, so I need to. In fact, I was going to stream this Sunday and do pumpkin combos, but if you would rather see me color in this book and we could do a little fun giveaway of the book, let me know. Or we could just do like a little Teresa Goodridge party and color one of her autumn books. So yeah, definitely let me know in the comments. Also let me know if you pre-ordered this and what you thought. I always like to see what people think. I like this one. This is gonna be fun. Yeah, so let me know if you ended up getting this book. I'm always curious who pre-orders them, who waits. It's definitely worth it. I mean, the paper's crap again. If you want to use like markers or anything, I would definitely scan it. But like I said, I've used multiple mediums in this and they've worked out fine. Prisma is my go-to, but my ink tints have always done well too. So yeah, thanks for hanging out with me for a super quick flip through. Why make it longer than it has to, right? And until next time, take care. Bye now.